I'm gonna show you the back office of the website. Give you the dashboard. Aliexpress.com. So if you go to Aliexpress.com, you will see that the plugin is $89. So, alright, now this is how it looks. But this is the demo. And the back office, but now it's showing the demo. Out the back office. When you click buy plugin, we'll show you the back office of the site inside here and back. And then you can see we have all the stuff in the back dashboard what the website looks like. And basically you have WooCommerce, you have products, you have recent sales products, countdown timer, Facebook business, Google merchant, social rabbit, a lot of other stuff. So this is really good. This is once you get the plugin. Now remember, you need WordPress to get this plugin. So it's good for like if you dropship products from Aliexpress onto your Ali dropship, you can import them straight off Aliexpress. And last thing I want to show y'all, this is you get the free theme. So it looks like this theme that you're going to do the free for anybody who's Ali dropship plugin. So if you want to get it, then show you how to get it. Also, if you want to buy the plugin now, $89, just come over to Aliexpress.com. Go to the plugin, wait for it as the site, it's a one-time payment. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright? Thanks for watching.